Hey, what's going on? So here's today's curb find. It's another Arctic King. Nothing special. Analog style with the knobs. Looks like it's all complete, in decent shape. It's probably a 5,000. Yes. 2017. It's 4 years old. So I have not turned this on yet, so I don't know if it works. Back's in decent shape. A few little dings there, nothing bad. We got the filter, which is dirty. Not bad. Anyway, let's turn it on. Low fan. Let's get a low cool. Came on. Very nice sounding compressor. Not sure what brand that is. I don't know if that's the brand or not. GMCC. I don't know. So, sounds really good. Some Q-tips down in there. I don't know if the camera's gonna focus. Yeah, there's some Q-tips. I find weird stuff stuck in the air conditioner. Yeah, this works. It is cold. So yeah, this is a good find. You know, it's a good condition. It's fairly new. It definitely works. So, I don't think these Arctic Kings are bad air conditioners. I've never really noticed problems with them. I picked up quite a few. They're very common. Sort of a kind of a generic brand, but it's been around for a while now. So sounds really nice. Not bad at all. Oh yeah, very cold. So yeah, this works. That's low cool, high cool. Decent fan, puts out quite a bit of air. So yeah, it works good, seems to work. So that's it. See you later.